In industrial environments, cable carrier failures don't just damage equipment, they create downtime, maintenance headaches, and lost production.
TPC has a long history with some rather harsh environments, and customers trust us to solve the problems that they have in their harsh environments, whether it be pulling, twisting, heat, chemicals. That's where we want to play.
When you partner with Amphenol TPC Wire and Cable, you get full engineering support to diagnose your problem and design your custom solution.
First and foremost, we'll have an engineer on site. We want to go out, we want to look at your application, we want to make sure we size the carrier correctly.
Unlike other cable carrier suppliers, we deliver the complete system. Fully loaded cable carriers with long-lasting cables, connectorized in our custom build shop for true plug-and-play installation.
When we are done and we've tested it, when we ship it to the customer, all they have to do is roll it out, put it into position, plug it up, and go back to work.
When replacing or upgrading a cable carrier system, partner with Amphenol TPC Wire and Cable for a complete engineered solution built for reliability, longevity, and reduced downtime.